So I have been placed with DHL Express, and the process actually involved a three-stage process. So first of all, it was an online aptitude test, followed by a GD and then a PI. So if I can recall the moment when I literally had to stand on my toes was when they asked me to make a sales call, which was like all of a sudden. And yeah, I was not very much prepared for it, but that was very in the moment thing. And converting a lead is known to be the toughest part in the career of sales. So yes, that was my toughest thing in the interview. I would consider this interview as more of a learning experience for me, because the interviewers, they were very accommodating. They kept, they were asking me questions, but they were also simultaneously giving me feedbacks and reviews of how I can perform better, of even for my future reference. So the questions also involved, they basically surrounded around my professional career, around my personal life and my past jobs, and the skill set that I possess. So that is what I guess what they were looking for. So this was more of a learning experience rather than any haunting interview for me. So I would definitely say that the classroom that I am in, my peer, they are very supportive. But everyone is again best in their own ways, different yet best. So what I can believe what the interviewer was looking for was someone who can interact well, someone who can talk it out, empathize with the customers, with the consumers, understand their problems, and then provide a solution. So that decision making skills is what they were looking for, along with an analytical approach, is what I believe. So if I talk about my interview experience, be it my summer internship or my placements, I've always made sure that I interacted with the seniors who are already placed in that company, or any other senior for that matter, because during my SIPs I observed how much knowledge do they have, how much they can tell us, not just the questions that matter, but how one has to behave, how one has to form that decision making process. So in addition to the alumni interaction, it's the learnings from the faculties that actually helped me sail through the process of interviews. The real life experiences they share, the industry knowledge they have, and the peer-to-peer learning that I have gained, not only from my seniors but from my classmates as well, that everything has actually helped me sail through the process of interviews. So the lives of students like us has changed completely when we were shifted completely from an offline environment to an online one. The peer-to-peer learning that we had, the classroom interaction we had, sitting with your friends, everything changed. Everything shifted just over calls, just over team meetings, and all sorts of things. So if I say the challenges that I faced during the interview process was majorly around expressing yourself. You can express yourself better when you are interacting directly with the interviewer. The placements, majorly they had a few challenges, but around expressing your emotions, expressing your answers completely, there were quite a few challenges. But then my college and the companies that conducted the interviews have handled it really well. So it is going on really smoothly. So competitions, it was a major and integral part of my MBA life that I was introduced to. So I have been inculcated with this habit of participating a lot, even since I was a child. The case studies that we got, they were different. That was a very new experience, I would rather say. So I have in total participated in 7 competitions, and I have won 4 of them. And in the 5th one, we were in the top 30 of the Hero Campus Challenge. So I have been to quite a few number of campuses, IIM Rohtak, MDI, IIT, being some of them. So one that I can recall is from IIT itself, where there were like 10 colleges who were participating. and we won them, and the judges, they really liked the idea. So this is something I liked about the business case competitions. There is no clear cut answer, there is no clear cut solution, and there is not even a perfect solution. You just have to be close enough, you just have to be explore your mind, and you can come up with n number of ideas. So they actually asked us to conduct a role play, which was a very novel thing for me. I had never experienced it earlier in any case study competitions. So apart from the role plays, it was the feedbacks and the reviews that the judges gave me and my team, which actually helped me a lot to understand the frameworks and the concepts better. And this even helped me in my second year as well. So I was really looking forward to participating in a more number of competitions, which I couldn't, because again this process was online, and you don't really get to visit the campus, interact with a lot of people that we used to in the offline space. But then again, this online actually helps you to interact with the judges better. And get more and more of learning, so because you can ask them questions directly. So 4 has been a game changer for me. I am going to remember it throughout my life. It has been a complete package of excitement and thrill for me. So thank you so much that I was given this opportunity to be a part of you. And I would really like to thank all my faculties who have given me so much of learning, helped me open up my mind, broaden my horizons, and definitely my peer group, which have given me so much of interacting abilities that I am actually looking forward to in the corporate world.